Hi, thanks for stopping by my channel today. Today I'm going to show you the very basics of how you even start cloth diapering. If you're like me, just like in this video, I talk about why I took the leap into cloth diapering and kind of the obstacles I had going into it. But if you are like me, you have every intention to cloth diaper, but you feel totally overwhelmed or lost by the lingo and especially the research. I'm not the type of person that can just sit at the computer and compare and research the different styles, types, companies of cloth diapers. If you haven't been here before, I just like to provide a platform where I can support like-minded people. And if you're wanting to do cloth but you feel totally lost, you're in the right place. So today I'm just gonna keep this as short and simple and basic as possible, and I'm just gonna show you how you would cloth diaper your baby. We use Lil Helper's all-in-two system. An all-in-two is a cloth diaper that has a shell, that's this outside layer, and it has a set of inserts. And the inserts are very crucial because they absorb liquid. So these inserts can be snapped in and out. You change your baby's diaper and only the inserts are wet and the cover is still dry. You can just chuck those in the wash and reuse the cover another time. You have your inserts and your shell. So you snap those in and then you'll put that onto your baby. And it seems crazy because there's like a million snaps. But what's great about these snaps is this is what enables this diaper to fit any size or style of baby. These snaps will help to adjust the sizing of this diaper so it fits your baby properly. When you look at the back, this is the back of the diaper. So this goes to the butt crack, and the snaps will fold over, and those will go on the front side of your baby. These ones right here are called rise snaps, and these will make the diaper longer or shorter. These ones right here connect with this bottom one, and this will create your leg hole, for lack of a better word. So we'll snap that on. So as you can see, it creates the hole for the leg, and then these two on the top, which is on the back side of the diaper, and with this line up here, that will be your waist. Anyway, if you want another video about how to properly fit your baby's diaper, or to see if the baby's diaper is on properly, then you can check out this video here. And below in my description, I have a link to my blog, and on there I have more visuals about how to fit a diaper properly and what things to look for and how to troubleshoot leaks. Okay, so you have your inserts. That's these things that snap in. Inserts come in different materials. This one is Lil Helper's charcoal inserts, and they're actually made of microfiber on the inside, and then they have this bamboo charcoal on the top. The charcoal makes it hypoallergenic and helps wick away moisture, where microfiber is not recommended to go right against a baby's skin. It's just very irritating. As you go on in your cloth diapering journey, you can start to look for different types of inserts. Different absorbencies are available in the different materials. But with that being said, certain materials can absorb a lot, but they don't take away moisture as quick. And so what that means is it can hold a lot of pee, but your baby might feel a little bit wet until the insert has properly absorbed all the pee. Like when we use a bamboo insert, which holds a little bit more liquid, then I would put a stay dry liner on there. So this is a stay dry liner. It's micro fleece. And I just place that on top of the inserts, just like that. These will help your baby to feel dry. Another reason that you should use liners, especially when your baby starts solids, is to protect your inserts from poop. If you have a proper wash routine, your diapers and inserts will be getting washed properly, but there is the risk that poop can still get kind of stuck in the pores of your inserts. And like any porous material, if you have something clogging those pores, then the material won't do what it was created to do. These liners help babe to feel dry, but they also help to protect your inserts from poo, but they also protect your inserts if you're going to use diaper creams, if baby has a diaper rash. And another reason that we use liners is it makes poop cleanup just a little bit easier. So if you imagine that there's just a nice cute little poop on there, you can just take that off, and hopefully this doesn't have any poop on it, so you can throw that in the wash. And the liner you can wash properly. There are different ways to wash off poop, but I'll cover that in a different video. We spray ours and then we rinse them out because it's very crucial to make sure all inserts, wipes, and liners don't have any poop on them when you throw them in your wash. That was a lot of information. I hope that this was helpful. Please feel free to comment any questions you have. I don't care what company you use or what style. If you're totally lost and overwhelmed, I want to help you out. And hopefully some of the other videos in my cloth diaper playlist on this channel will help you out as well. So thanks for liking this video and for subscribing to my channel. And as I mentioned before, there is a link to my blog down below that I hope will also have helpful resources for you. So good luck as you start your cloth diapering journey or as you continue to navigate it. Have a great day.